today I'm gonna do a squishy haul part 1. So I'm gonna show you my first squishy, and I have this Snow seashell. Here's the licensing. It is kinda dense, but I still love it. Then I have this Jumbo Origi Mango, and this is most of my licensed ones. I can't see the licensing, but I have the packaging, and here it is. Yeah. And it is really airy. And then I have this Origi pencil. This was $10, which is expensive. Just want to tell you that. Then I have this Hello Kitty ice cream, and yes, it is defected, very defected. But I still like squishing it without the tag. Then I have this Kibu ice cream, and I wish it was airy because that would have been awesome. Because just wanna make you guys hear this. Look how airy it is. That is airy. So then I'm looking here at my squishy collection. Here's the bin that I put in my squishy. I'm looking for some squishies, and I just found one. And it's my Jumbo Kibu Colossal Bread. It is extremely soft, and it's kind of airy, I guess. Kind of like teensy bit airy. And I'm pretty sure that's it. Bye guys, love you. Peace out.